Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
How's life?
Great. Excellent. Great.
Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Ismail Huda. I have a presentation for you today. But before that, I want to ask you some questions. First, does anyone here not have a TikTok? Yeah? Everyone? And I want to ask you also, have you ever find these kinds of content?
Yes.
Yes, sometimes. What do you think about this? Okay. Okay. You can have your opinion about this. But today we will discuss about this topic. Entertainment meets education meets entertainment. Should teachers involve students in TikTok videos? We will discuss about this. The phenomenon, the positive sides, the negative sides, and the reflection that we have to discuss about it. So let's start with the phenomenon. These pictures I got it from Google, but if you search it from the TikTok's apps, it will be much more. You can find it so many. It means there is a lot of teachers collaborate with their student in their TikTok content. Some people believe these teachers use their student to gain the follower, to become the famous person in TikTok, to become the TikTokers. The people say TikTokers. But should teachers be the TikTokers and use their student, I mean? So this is a lot of problem, a lot of pros and cons about this. And I will discuss about the positive side and also the negative side of it. Now, next, the positive side. TikTok or the teacher use the TikTok will have some of positive side, some of the benefits. One of them are to be creative and the bonding. They can gain and become more closer to the student because of they always or often doing content. Hey teacher, I want to make content like this. Velocity bro, velocity. Velocity teacher, velocity miss, velocity mister. There's a lot of trend also, like I don't know, maybe a lot of also like the student aware about the trends. They want to become creative, but also another benefits such as the digital literacy. Because of the TikTok, the teachers can give some materials for the student, but this case mostly happens to the elementary school students. So because of that, the students of the beginner level, they used to use the social media, and they have a literacy about this media, the social media, how to use it and how to respond about the social media. A lot of students also aware and also understand about it. And also another benefits such as the promotion. School or the teachers can use their content to promote their class, to promote their school, such as for teachers who teaching in the private school. They need to promote it. They need to gain another student, to get a lot of children come to their school. And also to get the motivation. Because of this content, the student feel more motivated, feel spirit to enter their class. So I think, how do you think about the positive side? So you can think about it later, yeah? Now, let's move to the negative side. Okay. In the negative side, we have an issue about the privacy. There's no boundaries. There is no the privacy between the teachers, between the students. The student already exposed into the global. A lot of people, a lot of people in social media already know about their student. And also the ethical concerns. A lot of people say it, and also people believe this is tarnishing their school uniforms. This is some of the drawbacks of about making content with their student. And about focus distraction. While teaching in the class, they feel distracted because of the content. They want to make a content, always making content, not thinking about the material, but the lesson. And also the professional boundaries. The teacher will have disrespect from their student because they already close and always making content. I already know you, teacher. I already know you, miss. Already know, miss, you, mister. They disrespect their teacher. And we have a reflection. You have to think about these 3 questions. The first one, should social media be part of the classroom? Yes. And how can school use TikTok responsibly? You have to think about this. And also, what kind of content that proper in the class? But I think you have this answer for this question. You know what is you need to think. What is the answer of this question? What is the solution of this? So now, let's take a look at the conclusion. I think I already mentioned you about the positive side and also the negative side. Now, it's your turn to assess it. Do you think teacher should allow or collaborate with their students to making a TikTok content? Or they should not because it's tarnishing their school uniform? The answer is on you. But for me, my closing statement, if you wore the school uniform, it means you are in education, not in entertainment. Thank you so much from me.